Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to repost a story on Instagram. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram story, and then if someone already tagged in you into his story, all you need to do is to click on the message icon at the top right. Here it is, and then open chat with person who tagged in you in his story. So like this, and then open this story. So, and after that, in the bottom of the screen you will see a button add to your story. You need to click on that one button, and then in this interface all you need to do is to choose some settings. For example, you can add some stickers or place or location or music actually, and then click on the your story or close friends and choose specific person you want to share a story with. So, and other way how you can repost a story is to just open any other story you want to repost, for example this one, and then all you need to do is to take a screenshot and then open a plus button at the bottom of the screen, then open a gallery at the bottom left corner, and then open that one screenshot, and then click on the your story or close friends again. So, and that's all, and that's how to repost a story on Instagram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.